Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Upgrading the RAM on your HP All-in-One can significantly enhance its performance, especially if you use resource-intensive applications. In this guide, we will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage, and the new RAM module compatible with your specific HP AIO model. Always refer to your user manual for the exact specifications. Begin by turning off your computer and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety and to protect your device. Next, you'll want to remove the back cover of your AIO. Locate the screws that secure the back panel. Usually, there are about 4 to 6 screws depending on the model. Carefully unscrew them using your Phillips head screwdriver. Place the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift and slide off the back cover. This will expose the internal components of your computer. It's a good idea to clean out any dust or debris while you have access. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other components. Keeping the internal area clean helps maintain optimal performance. Now, locate the RAM slots. Depending on your AIO model, there may be 1 or 2 slots available for RAM. If there is already a RAM module installed, gently release the clips on either side of the RAM stick to remove it. If you're adding RAM, ensure that the new module is fully seated in the slot. Align the notch on the RAM with the slot and press down until the clips snap into place. Before reassembling, double-check that everything is secure. If you're uncertain about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can give you peace of mind if you feel overwhelmed by the process. Now, it's time to put the back cover on. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight but do not over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. Once the back cover is secured, plug your AIO back into the power source and turn it on. Your system should recognize the new RAM automatically. To verify the upgrade, right-click on this PC and select Properties to check the installed memory. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this upgrade, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel, we'll come to you. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. In summary, upgrading the RAM in your HP All-in-One is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance performance. By following these steps, you can ensure a successful upgrade. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.